মানুষকে কি করে?
রূপ করে।
How does the angel takes out the soul of human being?
You see, it is a difficult question which cannot be understood by you even if I answer in detail. Everybody has to die. At the time of death, if somebody is vicious and vile in his character, etc., the angels appear before him and he sees them before his death, and they tell him to throw out their own soul themselves. Angels do not want to touch the soul, but if that man is pious, then they hear the sound of angels declaring, Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutmainnah, O soul which is satisfied, fully satisfied, irji ila rabbika radiyatan mardiyah, return to your Rabb in the state that you are happy with him and he is happy with you. Fadkhuli fi ibadi, then enter my people, my servants. Wadkhuli jannati, and enter my Jannah. So this is what they hear at the time of their death.